Let's talk about the important part in marketing, landing pages. So landing pages are used for convert the clicks into the customers. According to Wikipedia, landing pages are nothing but the marketing pages, or these are the lead capture pages. And these pages have the single focus. These are the static pages, or these are the destination pages. Like if someone is searching on the internet and they found some like advertisement, and after clicking on these advertisements or email marketing campaigns, they will be land on this destination page. And using this destination page, marketers are converting the potential customers into the leads. So there are some of the best practices we need to create the landing pages. We will not cover these practices into the land in this video, but we'll be talk about why we need to create the landing pages. So I think you got the idea that these landing pages are nothing but the lead capture pages or marketing pages. So I'm just showing you in a Dynamics 365 marketing how we can create these landing pages, or how these pages will be improve the conversion rates. So let's jump into the system and let's practically create some of the landing pages. So you'll get the idea that how it's easy to create these landing pages Dynamics 365 using the designer. So I'll show you how this page will look like. Okay, so I'm just opening this email, and yes, upload opening this email, I'm able to see the company. One company is hosting some of the like event, okay, and they are like promoting this event through the email campaigns. So I just click on this save my spot, and after clicking on this save my spot email button, it will be open one page. So you are able to see that only the required information is given there. There is a one single focus is there, like they want to generate more leads. They are not showing any home page is there or other product information, right? So you are able to see there is a no like navigation, like there is a difference between the home page and landing pages. If you go to the eliminator home page, suppose I'm just opening the page here, and you are able to see on the top there are different menus are there, right? So it will be distracting the people, like means if there are more options are there, it will be confuse the people to take the decisions. And that's why the landing pages is called as the single focus landing pages or single focus pages, or these pages are the marketing pages. So this is the home page of this eliminator.com, and this is the landing page they have created, or marketing team have created to generate the more leads who are interested into this event. So there is no navigation is there, it is showing on the top uh, how many days are remaining to like register for this event. So it will be create like some urgency, or it will be create some curiosity, and the people will be log or register for this event. So you are able to see like the nice images is shown here, like hashtag is shown here, right? And it will be show the information here, right? And there is one single button is there, like this is a CTA, call to action button is. And on the top it will be show that after clicking on this, it will be show that who are the speaker there, right? Who is going to address this event, what is the agenda, at the what time, who is going to speak. So everything which is required, or everything which is like which is like required to generate the leads, it will be show this information on this page. And that's why these pages are called as the destination pages. So these pages we can easily create in a Dynamics 365 marketing tools. After clicking on this save your spot, they will be collect full name, email address, and they will be generate the leads. So let's jump into the system and I will show you how we can create these pages into the Dynamics 365. So I am into the Dynamics 365 marketing model, and under the internet marketing, you are able to see the marketing pages. So it will be show the landing page, right? Suppose I just click on this landing page and it will be open this landing page into the designer. So you are able to see the logo is placed here, right? And we can add the information here. So it will be show the toolbox. It will be add the marketing form. Like suppose I want to add the marketing form, right? I can just search the marketing form here, and I can add like whatever the marketing forms we have created previously. We can add here, like okay, this marketing forms here. Also, suppose we need to add some image here, right? Suppose I want to add image here, so I can just add the image. Just suppose I am just deleting this image and I want to add the image here. So go to the toolbox. I can just click on the image and I want to place the nice image here. So just click on the image and it will be shown like which image we want to display here. So I just selecting this image and then yes, you are able to see this image is placed here. So without knowing the programming language, we can create a nice UI, rich UI landing pages. So we can increase our conversion rates. So we can also add here the forms. Also, suppose we are selling the products, so we can add the product information here, right? We can also check like what if any issue is there, right? Suppose some issue we have found here while creating this forms, right? So it will be show like make sure to select the forms, right? So some issue is there, right? So suppose this is the form I have added, right? And it is showing me that okay, no form is added here. Okay, so it's just showing the blank. So yes, I don't want to collect any information. I just delete it and I again click on the check for errors, and it will be show the no errors were found. So everything is provided to create a rich, responsible landing pages. Suppose you want to view like how these pages will be look on the desktop, on tablets, on mobile devices, right? So just click on the preview and you are able to see how this page will be look on a mobile device. So we'll get the insights like who has or this is like generate the customer journey, like here who has visited this page, what are the unique visit, who has submitted this page, what is the conversion rate, right? Submission details, it will be show that, right? Every data will be generated from these landing pages are captured into the Dynamics 365. So in a marketing campaigns, we can launch these marketing pages and we can generate the more leads, we can increase the conversion rate, we can sell the more products using these landing pages. So we can also create these landing pages using the templates available in marketing. Suppose I just need to create like some of the templates. I don't want to create these pages from the start, right? So I just click on the page templates and some of the page templates are available here. Suppose I want to create uh one page, right? Or suppose I want to create a landing page. So this is the template is already provided here. So I just need to be like edit this template and I can create the landing pages to get the more conversion. So Dynamics 365 is providing the templates, and using this template also we can create the landing pages. So I hope that you got the idea is that landing pages are nothing but the destination pages or lead capture pages to increase the conversion rate. So let's meet in a next video.